Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Vue.js 3 component which allows you to have this form input field which receives OTPs, one time password. So if you want your application to receive OTP codes, you can use this package. So you can design it to receive 4-digit or 3-digit. You can configure this in the code and then fill out these OTP codes. So we have this component right here. I will show you in this video how to integrate this component. So the name of the package is vue3-otp-input. So if you just go to npmjs.com, so just search for this package which is vue3-otp-input. So this is actually the package right here for integrating this. So command is simple. You install it and then it's almost got 16,000 weekly downloads. So they do offer a nice little demo on their npm page, so you can style it using css, change these colors as well. So I think they offer this demo right here. So now to get started, I've given all the source code in the description of this video, so if you need the source code you can go to the description. So inside your template you will write your HTML code, and then inside your TypeScript you will write the inside your script section. So first of all we need to import this module. So we will say first of all we require the necessary packages using the import statement. So this will be in TypeScript. So we can explicitly mention this language attribute TypeScript and also attach setup. So then we need to import this third-party package vue-otp, and it will be coming from this vue3-otp-input, and then we need to define some variables that we will be using. So inside this Vue.js app, so we need two variables here. First of all OTP input, and then the second is bind value. So we declare it like this, and then we come to the template here. If you want to render this input, we will be just be having this simple div, change this display property to flex and flex direction to be row, and inside this will be rendering this component view OTP input. And this actually takes some options here. First of all the reference here, and this acts like a ID. You can attach a reference and then whatever classes that you want to attach. So for this we will be attaching the OTP input and conditional classes. There is an attribute here also, conditional class. So this will be acting how many digit of OTP that you want to accept. So we need to accept 4-digit OTP code. So you provide 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way you can control it. And then the separator here. Separator will be dash. You can even customize that as well. So then we also have input type. Here you can control if your OTP will contain digits or numbers. So it will contain both. So here we mention it can even contain letters and numbers as well. So then how many digit of OTP that you want to accept, here you can control this using this attribute. So I will say 4. Then at the next attribute is the actual value that you need to bind. So should autofocus, then it's a boolean parameter, so I will say to true. So these last 5 parameters, this is for autofocus. You can see that autofocus, focus order true, on change when the OTP changes, when the OTP is complete, these callback functions, and the placeholder. You can even customize the placeholder as well. So then after this we'll be having 2 buttons. The first button will be for clearing input if you want to reset the values, and the second one is for filling the input. And we will just bind this on click function to both these buttons. So when you click the clear input, we'll be binding this clear input function, and fill input will be responsible for filling the inputs automatically. So now we come, if you just refresh your application, obviously you will see this error that you haven't defined the functions right here. So we go to the TypeScript code and define all these four functions. So when your OTP will be completed, so this handle on complete will occur. The value will be of type string. So here will be simply console logging a simple message that OTP completed, and whatever is the value will be rendering it. And the next function, when the OTP the user is entering, the change event will occur. So it will be contain the OTP value. So you can console log a simple which is OTP changed and whatever is the value. And the next two functions, this function will be responsible for clearing or resetting the input. So here you simply say OTP input dot value clear input. And last but not least, for filling the input automatically, say OTP input value question mark dot fill input. So these two functions are available here, clear input, fill input, so which will do the job. If you refresh now, what happens is that I've given all the source code guys in the description of this video. So you can even attach your custom CSS as well right here. So now it will style it accordingly. It will have this placeholder. So it will add this gray background color as well. So you can refer the description of this video. So now let's suppose I say I only want to receive 3. I change this to 3. So now what happens, it changes to 3. So here you can control it how many digits of OTP that you want to accept, fill input. So in this way you can actually integrate the OTP input in Vue.js 3. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.